Fried tandoori masala chicken recipe is here now. We are on. Alright, let's go. We have a 3.5 pound of a whole chicken. We're gonna be deep frying this in our Dutch oven. Easy recipe to follow. You have to watch a little bit on the spices what I'm adding in here. It's not just putting the raw chicken in the hot oil and call it a tandoori chicken. We will make deep cuts on the chicken, you know. So I like to leave at least an inch space, my friend, and it's gonna be having tandoori masala on top of it. Look at the cuts. Just follow the same way I'm telling you. Our chicken, it has the beautiful cuts on it. We will land this in a marination bowl. Here it is. We will get rid of the gloves. Once you touch the raw meat, change the gloves. Spice blender for this. Let's start from the whole black pepper. We will take half tablespoon of whole black pepper. We will take salt, you know, and just half tablespoon sprinkle it on your raw chicken. The first thing we are putting on the chicken, this is red chili powder. We will add at least 2 whole tablespoons on it. If you don't like the spiciest red chili, you can use the paprika, but I would say use regular red chilies. Turmeric, look at this. We have to use it at least 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. We will take cumin, half tablespoon goes in your spice blender. Coriander, half tablespoon. Here, cinnamon stick, it's considered as a half tablespoon. Bay leaf, just one. It's optional. If you don't like it, don't add it, it's fine. Let's talk about some cardamoms, you know, the whole. We'll take at least 4 of them. We'll add it right here. Clove, whole cloves. Let's talk about cloves. These are at least 6 of them, the whole cloves. They go in here. Blend this. We will add at least a food color in there, you know. It's gonna make the whole popping texture, you know, but we're not super spicing it up. Balanced flavor, so anyone can have it. We'll blend this. The dry spices are completely blended. Here you go. Very easy to follow, man. If you like your tandoori chicken to be a bomb, this is what it is. This is maize powder. We will take half tablespoon. Do add this, okay? Some people are like, no, you just add maize powder to the sweet stuff, you know. Don't worry about it. Use it, you know. Okay, this is all the powder we got right here, and we will add it right here. It's not that much, you know. It's a fried tandoori recipe. Okay, I was telling you about the color, right? So what kind of a color, what kind of a thing it's gonna bring it on. So we will need another pair of gloves. Food color, consumable by humans. It's easy to get it from the market. Get super bright red, and you just need 1/4 tablespoon. 2 more things to go. The first one is garlic powder. Garlic is the thing, right? Half tablespoon of garlic. Fresh lemon. It's so fresh, it's so hard, because we need the lubrication on the chicken, right? This is a fried tandoori chicken recipe. All right, the best thing to do now, you know, yes, rub the ingredients. Make sure they are covering every single surface of the chicken. By the help of the hand, it makes the job easy, very easy. This is done. This is how it's gonna look. We just, rub the ingredients. Get the ingredients, I've been telling you from day one, once we get the ingredients and once we know what to do, how to do, when to apply, when not to apply, when to put, when not to put, how much time, how much temperature, you know the whole magic. Then follow this recipe, you're gonna love it. Now we have to focus that our oil should be at 350 degrees. Our oil is at 350. It's going in here. You will put the face down first. Look at this, sizzling. Woo! Initial 10 minutes. Just leave it like this, 350 degrees. This is the time frame for it. 10 minutes. If you are cooking like me in a Dutch oven, you have to flip the chicken. If you have a deepest fryer ever possible, right? Don't worry about it. We still have 20 more minutes. So altogether, 30 minutes. So here's the flip. And here you go. Don't worry about the initial chars. These are just initial chars in the Dutch oven. Oh my goodness, I love it. Make a note, if you're making this in a Dutch oven pot and your chicken is not dipping in the oil, you might have to do 3-4 flips, so I've been flipping it. This is how it is. Just make sure every single side is cooked. It's been 30 minutes of deep frying in canola oil our fried tandoori chicken recipe. I'm 100% sure it's ready. The best thing you can do, have a food temperature check thing, that's what they say these days. Put it into the breast, it's not in the oil, if it reaches 165, it's ready. It's more than 200 degrees at this point. It's completely fried out. Okay, this is the moment of truth. We are dishing our delicious fried tandoori chicken out. I'm putting it here on the baking sheet. I just want to tell you, if you have an oil strainer, at least put it right there. Turn off your stoves. We are done. Look at this beauty. Let it rest at least for 15 minutes. I made some salad. This is butternut leaves, some cucumbers, some onions, and some lemon. It's been 15 minutes. Let's land this hot beauty right here on the bed of salad. And this is the moment of truth right here, guys.